Hello everyone, my name is Chris and today I'll be showing you how to fix your own jumping rope handle using 3D printing. So let's get into it. So here's my old jumping rope handle. I'm gonna disassemble it completely, take some measurements and then go to design it. So let's disassemble the handle first, see what's inside of it so we can design the part and rebuild it. So we have a metallic part over here, metallic tube with a spring and of course the cap. This is the 3D handle right now. This is the original handle. I'm gonna take some measurements and design it using my CAD. So here I have my design part printed with red. Here's the cap for it. So it's a little bit different from the original one, but it's basically the same handle, same parts, everything. So that's the old version. That's the old handle which I broke, and this is the new one. They look completely similar, it's just the color difference. And now let's assemble the new one. So I already have this part attached to the cable, so I just put it inside of it. It's all inside. Now you can see it from here. And now let me put the weight inside of it and the spring and assemble it. Spring is inside. Now let me put the cap and screw it in place with the 4 screws and test it out. Have it, the new one. So here we have it. These are the new jumping rope handles and this is the old jumping rope handle. Look how much cooler these look than this. And now let's go test them if they're good even. Let's go. Okay. So now, let's test these 3D printed jumping rope handle. Let's put them into test.
I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched, I let it burn. I threw your stuff into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it. I don't care.
So as you can see, they're pretty well. These are the 3D printed jumping rope handles. See you in the next video.